The world grew once again in 2014. In brief, as we move into a new era of economic recovery, this past year represents a turning point. A turning point especially for the European, Spanish, and Basque economies. As the milestone achieved in 2014, I should like to highlight the efforts made by all the cooperatives in relocating those members affected by the crisis in Fagor Electrodomésticos. This has surely been the greatest demonstration to date of solidarity within the cooperative group. We will, of course, continue to work towards a global solution in the coming months. As for the group's progress, we must emphasize that 2014 was a transition year. Sales were slightly down on the previous year, but investment was high and we were able to maintain and even create jobs within the group as a whole. Internationalization and innovation were the main driving forces throughout the year, with international sales coming to 71% and net investment approaching 250 million euros. We succeeded in creating around 1,000 new jobs. Finally, I should like to stress that we are adapting and renewing our social project. Our ability to manage and innovate in order to boost competitive businesses, together with our collective commitment and intercooperative solidarity, will propel us into the future.